exact same outfit in my last YouTube video. Good morning, you guys. I haven't picked up the camera in a minute, but today we've got a fun agenda. So I figured why not take you guys along with me. I've got a photo shoot that I'm gonna go to in like 30 minutes, class right after. I'm teaching 2 classes tonight, 1 mat Pilates, 1 barre, and then I'll have a friend come over for dinner tonight. Somehow in that schedule, I also need to make my way over to the grocery store because I don't have anything to cook for dinner tonight. To be honest, I think I'm in my coffee photo shoot era because I had a photo shoot with Form and Function and then the District Coffee House, and now I'm about to have another one. This time it's with a coffee shop called Wild Things Coffee Co. I'm gonna be shooting with a girl named Sam. She and I have been following each other for the longest time. She's this incredible photographer, so talented with shooting film, which is something that I'm just obsessed with, but I would not be able to tell you the first thing about a film camera. I'm supposed to be there at 10:30, so I think I'll probably roll out of here in like 20 minutes. Let me show you guys. Here's the Pinterest board that she sent, outfits for inspiration, and I feel like this outfit is perfect for that. I think Wild Things is gonna have merch on deck, like sweatshirts, t-shirts, things like that. So I just figured, okay, these Levi's are like my trusty pair of jeans that I absolutely love, and then I just have this garage tank top underneath that I can just swap. My mood has absolutely skyrocketed since the sun came out, and it's been sunny all week. So with that being said, I thought it would be fun to change out my bedding. For the winter season, I had this cute Target sheet set. It was a blue and white snowflake sheet set, and I loved it so much. But now that it's basically March, tomorrow is actually the first day of March, I figured that we would switch it back to some fun floral, just spring bedding. I don't know if I've ever taken you guys in here, but this is the hallway on the 2nd floor. One of these days I'm gonna do a full house tour, but it probably won't be until I move out, just for like safety reasons. It's a 3-story house. Top floor, there's no bedrooms, it's like the kitchen. Middle floor is the master bedroom, closet, washing machine, dryer, and then bottom floor there's 2 more bedrooms, but that's where I keep my office, and then my guest bedroom. So anyways, this is like my big storage closet. I keep a lot of my PR stuff, as well as like extra purses, extra shoes, things in here. I also have all my keepsakes from my childhood up at the top, so it's really fun. Every now and then, if I'm just super bored, I'll just go through them and see all the things that I used to collect. This side, I have a bunch of sheets, blankets, things like that, and I'm realizing that I'm gonna need a step stool because I am not tall enough to get that. Okay, I really hope this stool will be tall enough. This is one of my favorite bedding sets. It's from Jerf Avenue. I'm sure you guys have seen it, but that was actually the first bedding that I ever had when I moved into this house. I also have this duvet. I think I'll just slip the bedding in there. The king size bed takes forever to put bedding on, but I'm determined we're gonna get a good playlist going and we'll be productive. Oh, also, I feel like this is exciting news. If you guys have been following since my music days, the ukulele was brought out 2 days ago. I've been playing, came up with a really cute song actually. So let me know if you guys wanna hear it. I have not taken this thing out in like 4 years, which is crazy. Okay, anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. We're bringing out the bows. Today's song of the day. I've been obsessed with this new release. It's an R&B song. We all know I love my R&B. I'm telling you guys right now, do yourself a favor and go save this on Spotify or Apple Music. On my mind all day, don't think twice, just like me. Broken in a pack all at night, baby. Okay, so there's no sheets. My last bedding was a comforter. I forget how much I hate duvets because you have to feed it through. Ooh, this is a good song. This has been in the closet for so long. It's so wrinkled. But anyways, I love this pink. I ended up changing, surprise, surprise, over Christmas break when I was in Texas. I went to this flea market place and I bought this adorable little, I don't even know what you would call it. It's like a scarf jacket almost. Kind of teardrops down the back, but I'm feeling this today. I think it would look really good in the shoe. I also was told to bring my Bible, which is so cool. And I love that they're wanting to photograph like celebrating your faith. A lot of people do go to coffee shops and read their Bible there. So anyways, I'm gonna wear this. And then I have 3 different things that I'm gonna be bringing as well, just in case. You never know if they're gonna want more options. So I'm just gonna bring that cardigan that I had on, Brandy Melville striped sweater or sweatshirt. And then this colorful, beautiful cardigan from Lulu's, which I've worn in a couple of my videos, and it's just so bright and colorful. Okay, let's head out to the shoes. Shoes of the day, we've got my Converse, The other day I broke a mug in my garage and it was so tragic. I opened my side garage door and bam, it literally just fell on the ground and shattered everywhere. So what did I do? I took a picture of it. Tote bag full of extra clothes, university bag, water bottle, phone, and then I have this package that I'm gonna be shipping out to my boyfriend. Too many things to carry. Oh my gosh. I love the Caroline college life that has nothing to do with being an influencer. The lines can get very blurred between living your real life and then your social media life. So I've always tried to find a good balance, but as I've gotten older, I've really appreciated keeping a lot more things private. So many of y'all have direct messaged me on Instagram saying that you're praying for me because y'all know that I have been on this like journey search to land an internship this summer before my senior year. And so finally it happened. Yeah, I'm over the moon about it. It's just getting me thinking honestly about what my life is gonna look like once I graduate from Boise State University. I'm only here for 3 more semesters and I just feel so happy and grateful that I'm even able to go to college and that I've been able to meet these wonderful people. I just got here to Wild Things and I forgot that I never put on my lips this morning. So I'm gonna give you guys a little lip combo tutorial of what I do every day before class. It's so easy, it's just 2 products. First off, I have to give a little shout out to my mom and dad because this is one of the best Christmas gifts that I received back in December. This is a purse from Anthropologie. It's now become my school bag, travel bag, pretty much everything bag. And it comes also with this little pouch. So this is where I keep my EpiPen because your girl's allergic to everything, as well as my lip products. So here's the lip combo. First off, we've got a lip liner in the shade Chocolate Brown. This is from the brand Para. Biggest tip when you're lining your lips is just do it really lightly on the outside and then take your ring finger, smudge it up. That way you don't have any harsh lines. Okay. Then once your lips are lined, you're gonna take, gosh, this is the best of ever. It smells so good. This is the Laneige Gummy Bear. Best lip balm ever. Internal rewards versus in our society we're so focused on like what can we achieve to prove to other people. Hi buddy. Hello. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hello. I realized I never showed you guys what was in this cute little goodie bag, but Sam is so sweet and the team at Wild Things. I better not break this like I broke that mug. How cute. This is a little platter dish, perfect for putting rings in. Let's see, then we have Costa Rican coffee beans, or coffee grounds, my bad. 2 stickers. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. I love that this is a Christian company too. And then last but not least, I've never had one of these before, but this is kind of like an all over moisture stick from the brand Cocoa Kind My Matcha. So thank you so much, Sam, if you're watching this. Woo! We're falling, whoa. We're gonna head out, go teach barre today. They're on this little zip up from Lululemon over, and I forget how much I love these tops. They're just so flattering and it's like buttery soft. You'd think that it would be super restricting, but it's not. And then I have these Tula shorts on. Prettiest purple color ever. Also really, really soft. It's body acceptance week and usually I don't teach on Thursdays, but I wanted to teach like a mindful movement mat Pilates, and then I'm also covering my coworker's barre shift. So 2 different classes today. They're gonna be back to back. The mat Pilates one is at 4:30 and then 5:30 is the barre one. And we have this little script that we're gonna be saying at the beginning of class, and I'll just read it to you guys. Let me grab my phone. My manager, Zach, sent an email about it. It's really sweet, and I'm just glad that my university participates in Body Acceptance Week, just because it's such a thing that a lot of people struggle with silently. I've already decided, because I don't want people to be staring at me while I'm saying this, so I want them to be in a comfortable, restful position. We'll either start on our back or sitting down with like hands resting on our thighs, and I'm gonna have them close their eyes. as I say this. Today we celebrate mindful movement as part of Body Acceptance Week. As we work through our class today, let us focus on how our body feels and let us be thankful for the air in our lungs and the beating of our heart. Please remember that movement should be joyful. As we move our bodies today, let us focus on our intention to love the bodies we live in and be grateful for what our bodies do for us each day. I just think it's the sweetest thing ever. I read it for the first time while I was in my organizational behavior class, and I was just like, wait, this is awesome. And I'm so happy to represent a institution like this that actually celebrates that. The child is fed. I fed him before because I won't be home until like 6:45-ish. My friend Kaylee's coming over for dinner tonight. We did decide on what we wanted to do. I have 2 of the ingredients and then she ran to the store and got meat. But this is the sauce that we're gonna be using. Rao's or Rouse, I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. They also have a really good Alfredo one, but I only had marinara in my pantry. And then we're gonna be eating this Trader Joe's cheese ravioli with it. So dinner should be fire. Such a sucker for pasta, and it's so easy to add meat in it too. This is my workout bag that I usually bring to teach, or I'll carry like a tote bag, but I have my computer in here that has my workout, bala bands for extra weight. I have my hand weights down there. And then I think that's all the equipment that we're gonna be using today. I don't think we'll use any yoga blocks, bender balls, or anything like that. Matcha absolutely loves these treats. I think there's 2 left in here, but these are from Idaho Barkery. Y'all already know I made the switch to Farmer's Dog, which was definitely a lot more pricier than his kibble food. I love feeding him fresh food because he's like my child and I wanna give him the best nutrition. Same thing with treats. This is an all natural pumpkin treat. I also have a peanut butter one. I do have to wash my hands after I touch that because I'm allergic to it. But he loves the peanut butter one. And there's only 5 ingredients in this one. There's chickpea flour, pumpkin, coconut oil, honey, and flaxseed. And Idaho Barkery is a local company. Highly recommend trying out their treats. I just feel better giving him things that I know have better ingredients. Good job. Would love to also point out that every day before I leave, I put the toys in his bed. I come home and it's all over the place, but this is good because I want him to have fun while I'm gone at class. I just wrapped up teaching and I have to hurry because in 10 minutes I have to be home to cook dinner for my friend. Luckily she's bringing the meat though, so it doesn't have to be ready by that time. Class was great today. I just ended up teaching the same workout and then I just kind of changed a little bit of the movements to meet more of what barre is, I guess. But people loved it and I didn't fumble the bag when I read that speech. I was kind of nervous though. I was like, guys, don't look. Keep your eyes shut while I'm reading this. Guys, I miss my boyfriend so much. Oh, long distance is the worst. Oh my gosh. Comment down below if you're also doing long distance, because I know I can't be the only one. I don't want to be that person that complains about it because genuinely I have the best partner of doing it with. But there are so many moments. Actually, do I want to go down this rabbit hole? Let's, because I feel like we're already on FaceTime with each other. So many moments that I wish I could share with my boyfriend, like the simple everyday things that other couples that are in person and let's say go to the same college get to do together. For example, like grabbing ice cream, spontaneous drive to go watch the sunset somewhere, or randomly getting mozzarella sticks with marinara sauce from Sonic. So many things that I want to do with him in person, and obviously we can do those whenever we see each other, but most of the time when we do see each other, it's like 48 hours at most, and so it doesn't feel as, I guess, like spontaneous because everything is planned to make up for the time that we didn't spend together, if that makes sense. The reason why I'm even bringing this up is because on my way out, I saw the cutest couple working out together. Oh, it was so cute, and it made me just really miss him. So, my 5-minute walk back to my car, that's all I was thinking about. Let's call him, see what he's up to. Please pick up, please pick up, please pick up.
Please leave a message and I'll call you back.
I miss you so much, and I was just thinking of you because I was leaving the gym and I saw a really cute couple working out together and it just made me just really miss you. So I hope you're having fun and I hope I didn't interrupt anything. I don't know if you have class right now or whatnot, but I love you so much and give me a call when you're done. Ciao. Kaylee just left my house. We had the yummiest ravioli meat marinara concoction, and now I have organic peppermint herbal tea. Definitely not October or fall. That's kind of the fun part about having different mugs is you can choose whichever season you're feeling. I decided already that I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. It's 8:49 p.m. I'm gonna drink this tea. I'm gonna take 2 of these Let Me Sleep Tight gummies. These are the best. If y'all have never tried them, it tastes like actual candy and I sleep the best. It has melatonin and magnesium. Also, another one that I have in my medicine closet is the sleep gummies from Ollie, and those are pretty much sold everywhere. I think you'd probably be able to find the Ollie sleep gummies more than you would be able to find these in store, but they're both great. I love them and they help me just knock out for the night.
Until yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try?